Raja Ampat is an Indonesian island in northwest. The name Raja Ampat translates to four kings, referring to the four main islands Vejio, Misul, Salavati, and Batanta. This area is renowned for its breathtaking natural beauty and is considered one of the most beautiful and clear water of sea. Raja Ampat offers an unbelievable adventure for nature enthusiasts, divers, and anyone looking to experience one of the last pristine marine environments on the planet. To reach there, you need to fly to Sorong City, western coast of Papua. Then you can take ferry to the island and enjoy the beautiful nature of Raja Ampat. Tumpak Sewu Waterfall. Tumpak Sewu Waterfall is located in Lumajang Regency, East Java, Indonesia. It's part of the famous Bromo Tengger Semeru National Park. Tumpak Sewu Waterfall, also known as Koban Sewu, is a spectacular multi-tiered waterfall with an impressive height of around 120 meters. The waterfall is surrounded by lush green rainforest, which adds to its stunning beauty and makes it a perfect spot for nature lovers. Visitors can enjoy several activities at Tumpak Sewu. You can hike to various viewpoints, take incredible photos, or simply bask in the natural beauty. Nusa Penida is a stunning island located southeast of Bali, Indonesia. It's part of the Nusa Islands. Nusa Penida is renowned for its dramatic landscapes, crystal clear waters, and beautiful beaches. Broken Beach, known for its unique rock formations and natural arch, it's a picturesque spot for sightseeing. There are beaches known for the beautiful views and a peaceful atmosphere. Nusa Penida also relatively less developed tourism infrastructure compared to Bali. If you are coming to Indonesia, you should definitely come here. Sekumpul Waterfall is one of Bali's most stunning and pristine natural attractions. Located in the northern part of the island, in the village of Sekumpul. This waterfall is renowned for its dramatic beauty and lush surroundings. Visiting Sekumpul Waterfall typically involves a trek through scenic rice terraces and jungle paths. The base of the waterfall forms a natural pool where visitors can swim. The waterfall's dramatic cascades and the surrounding scenery also make it a popular spot for photography. The Jatiluwih Rice. The Jatiluwih rice terraces are a remarkable and visually stunning feature of Bali's landscape. The Jatiluwih rice terraces offer some of the most breathtaking views in Bali. The terraces extend across rolling hills, with lush green rice paddies that create a patchwork of vivid colors. The sight of the terraces against the backdrop of Bali's mountains is particularly striking. The area enjoys a temperate climate due to its elevation, making it pleasant for exploration year-round. Kei Islands. Kei Islands are a stunning group of islands located in the southeastern part of Indonesia. The Kei Islands are famous for their white sandy beaches and clear shallow waters. It's a perfect spot for swimming and relaxing. The Kei Islands offer a unique and less visited destination for travelers seeking natural beauty. The Alor Islands are a group of islands in eastern Indonesia, Alor Island being the largest. The region features rugged terrain, volcanic landscapes, and beautiful coastlines. While less touristy than some other Indonesian destinations, the Alor Islands offer unique experiences for those looking to explore off the beaten path. Visitors can enjoy activities like diving, trekking, and cultural tours, all amidst stunning natural scenery. Sumba is located between the islands of Flores and Taima. It has a diverse landscape, with rolling hills, savannas, and some mountainous areas. The island is known for its dramatic scenery, including striking beaches and rugged terrain. Sumba is increasingly becoming a destination for tourists seeking natural beauty and cultural experiences. Overall, Sumba Island offers a rich tapestry of cultural heritage and natural beauty, making it an intriguing destination for those interested in exploring Indonesia's less traveled regions. So this is it for the video and hope you like it. Please do like and subscribe the channel.